The purpose of this video is to show how to create a correlation matrix using Excel's built-in Analysis Toolpak. Before beginning, please ensure that the Analysis Toolpak is enabled. First, we will select Data on the top of our toolbar. Next, we go to Data Analysis. If you do not see this option presented, it is because your Data Analysis Toolpak has not been enabled. Please ensure that it is enabled so that you can select this option. From here, we will select Correlation, and then we will select our input range. For my particular data set, I'm going to exclude the random column and include all column headers. From here, I will select labels in first row since I included the column headers, and then I will name my new worksheet Correlation Matrix. Select OK, and your correlation matrix has been created. Next, I want to find the best predictor variable for monthly sales. When looking for the best predictor variable, you want to find the highest absolute correlation, meaning the number closest to 1 or -1. In our case, we want to see which has the best predictor for a positive predictor for monthly sales, which in this case, we would look at our monthly sales column, and the closest number to 1 would be 0.14 rounded, and that would be our units sold. From here, we can highlight this best predictor variable, and now we know that our units sold is assumed to be the best predictor for our monthly sales. And that concludes how to create a correlation matrix using Excel's Analysis Toolpak and how to select the best positive predictor variable against monthly sales.